Desperate. What's so amazing about this? Like you said, it's my inner child coming out.
The Andy Captain Show on Country 105.
Oh my goodness, what have we done? What have we done? Andrew, how's it going out there this morning at the corner of Memorial and John?
Oh, it's a beautiful, brisk Friday morning.
So just so you know, Andrew, he entered into the contest Friends Don't Let Friends Blank Alone for Dean Brody and Dallas Smith tickets. And the task that you said you were going to do along with your friend is dressing up like a baby and prancing around on Memorial for about half an hour here, eh, buddy?
Well, I don't know about prancing, it's more strutting. You know, I'm kind of working it, right?
That's what I hear. And judging by the honks, you're doing a fantastic job of it as well, too.
Well, you know, the outfit's pretty cute. I think I make it look adorable, so, you know, it works.
Make sure if you're driving by Andrew there at the corner of Memorial and John, you give him a nice honk and show him a little bit of support. Hey, this is the Friends Don't Let Friends Blank Alone contest, so who is it that's with you there, man?
It's Stacy.
And what is she doing?
She's got a nice sign that says honk for the big baby.
I thought it was going to say, I'm Gaga for Dean Brody and Dallas Smith, but that's pretty good, too.
Well, you know, I wanted it to be all about me. Today's my day.
It's true. Today's your day, and that is your street as of right now.
Exactly.
So, also, too, Andrew, I'm kind of curious about this outfit you have, because you said you went all out on it. Describe it to us a little bit. What are you rocking? What does the baby outfit look like?
Well, I've got a nice flannel diaper. It's from Fabricland. And then I've got a custom-made bib and hat that my mother made. It even has lace.
Lovely. When you asked your mother to make you that, and when you told her what she was making it for, what was her reaction?
Not shocked.
This isn't her first rodeo with stuff like this then, hey?
No, not even close.
Okay, then. Well, Andrew, keep doing your thing out there, and make sure if you're passing by him, you're honking. The weather's not that bad, you said, hey? So you're good to stick out there for, you know, maybe another 15, 20 minutes there, buddy?
I might even do it all day. I don't know. I kind of feel like this is my new calling.
Yeah, I mean, you'd be brightening people's days, right? So
That's I agree. I think so. Oh, good bus. Good bus. Everybody's honking down. What do I like?
oh, goodness, that person had a very loud horn.
Yes.
Hey, Andrew, what's the quality of horns been like this morning? Have there been some weaker ones, or have they all been pretty strong?
Well, actually, the one that let me down the most was the City of Thunder Bay City Bus. It was lackluster at best.
Oh, really? Like the horn wasn't that loud?
Yeah, it was very quiet, and it didn't startle me at all.
Huh.
That worked. That was worth it. I didn't think they teased me. I thought they were going to honk.
Andrew, I think that it's good that we call it here. Hey, man, you're probably getting a little chilly, huh?
Yeah, it's getting a little cold now.
All right. Well, let's call it off. And congratulations to you, buddy. You're entered in to win tickets to Dallas Smith and Dean Brody for your efforts here this morning. You did a really good job, man.
Awesome. Thank you.